Hello everyone. Question is which of the following options are correct about printable VMs? Option A, printable VMs don't have fixed pricing. Option B, both A and B. Option C, none of the above. Option D, you cannot use printable VMs as fault-tolerant workloads such as high-performance computing, big data and analytics, continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD, rendering, transcoding, and testing. Correct answer is option C. Question is considering Google Cloud Storage different options, which of the following are correct on the basis of their real-world use cases? Option A, cloud storage, images, large media, files, backups. Option B, Google Cloud Big Table, ad tech, financial and IoT data. Option C, Cloud SQL, user credentials, customer orders. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is your organization wants to migrate its data management solutions to Google Cloud because it needs to dynamically scale up or down and to run transactional SQL queries against historical data at scale. Which Google Cloud product or service should your organization use? Option A, BigQuery. Option B, Cloud Bigtable. Option C, Pub or Sub. Option D, Cloud Spanner. Correct answer is option D. Question is an organization's applications run on an inflexible on-premises architecture. The organization has decided to modernize their existing applications with the cloud. What may have prompted this business decision? Option A, developers want cloud providers to take full control of their application performance. Option B, IT managers want cloud providers to automatically deploy their infrastructure. Option C, IT managers wants to stop making gradual changes. Option D, developers want to test ideas and experiment with more ease. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is the operating systems of some of your organization's virtual machines may have a security vulnerability. How can your organization most effectively identify all virtual machines that do not have the latest security update? Option A, view the Security Command Center to identify virtual machines running vulnerable disk images. Option B, view the Compliance Reports Manager to identify and download a recent PCI audit. Option C, view the Security Command Center to identify virtual machines started more than 2 weeks ago. Option D, view the Compliance Reports Manager to identify and download a recent SOC 1 audit. Correct answer is option A. Question is your multinational organization has servers running mission critical workloads on its premises around the world. You want to be able to manage these workloads consistently and centrally, and you want to stop managing infrastructure. What should your organization do? Option A, migrate the workloads to a public cloud. Option B, migrate the workloads to a central office building. Option C, migrate the workloads to multiple local co-location facilities. Option D, migrate the workloads to multiple local private clouds. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a customer deploys an application to App Engine and needs to check for Open Wave Application Security Project OWASP vulnerabilities. Which service should be used to accomplish this? Option A, Cloud Armor. Option B, Cloud Security Scanner. Option C, Binary Authorization. Option D, for city security. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which of the following statements are correct about bare metal solutions? Option A, the network which Google Cloud manages includes a low latency cloud interconnect connection into the customer bare metal solution environment. Option B, bare metal solution also includes the provisioning and maintenance of the custom sole tenancy hardware with local SAN and smart hands support. Option C, bare metal solution uses a bring your own license BYOL model. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, one of your customers used to have a private data center. While within their data center itself, they were consuming some Google services via API calls and other public well-known addresses published by Google. Now they are evacuating their private data center and are moving to Google Cloud. Could they improve some of their existing architecture with respect to security? Option A, use VPC peering with the Google Cloud organization so that you can directly use services using only private IPs. Option B, use private addresses only. No additional configuration is required. All Google services will be accessible within Google Cloud on private addresses. Option C, use shared VPCs with the Google Cloud organization so that you can directly use services using only private IPs. Option D, enable private Google access so that they can remove public IP addresses. Correct answer is option D. Question is, an organization has completely migrated all their infrastructure to the cloud benefit from its agility. Now they want to innovate faster and achieve a higher return on investment. What should the organization do? Option A, manually provision all cloud infrastructure for increased control. Option B, modernize their applications. Option C, lower their service level objective SLO. Option D, move to a hybrid architecture with some of their infrastructure on premises. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a prospect wants to be able to store and analyze data. Their analysts already know SQL but are not familiar with other technologies. Which of these databases can the analysts use without additional training? Option A, Cloud SQL BigQuery Data Store. Option B, Spanner Cloud SQL BigQuery. Option C, Cloud SQL Firestore Data Store. Option D, Cloud SQL Bigtable BigQuery. Correct answer is option C. Question is, virtual machine, vCPU and memory users for each of these categories can receive one of the following discounts. Select three options. Option A, military discounts. Option B. Spot instances. Option C. Committed use. Option D. Sustained use. Option E. Printable VMs. Correct answer is option C, D, and option E. Question is your organization needs to build streaming data pipelines. You don't want to manage the individual servers that do the data processing in the pipelines. Instead, you want a managed service that will automatically scale with the amount of data to be processed. Which Google Cloud product or feature should your organization choose? Option A. Pub or Sub. Option B. Data Flow. Option C. Data Catalog. Option D. Data Prep by Trifecta. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which of the following statements are true about Cloud Spanner offered by Google Cloud Platform? Option A, it can scale horizontally to support additional capacity. Option B, it comes with zero downtime, no maintenance windows, and is proven for large and small workloads. Option C, you don't need to share or replicate data. Sort or replicate data. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, all Google Cloud Platform services are associated with a project that is used to provide what functions? Option A, manage container deployments. Option B, enable services and APIs. Option C, manage DNS services. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is, Cloud Data Loss Prevention (DLP) is a fully managed service designed to help discover, classify, and protect the most sensitive data. DLP provides three key features. Select three answers. Option A. Classification. Option B. De-identification. Option C. Declassification. Option D. Inspection. Option E. Re-inspection. Correct answer is option A, B, and option D. Question is, your client is a financial services company giving loans based on customer profiles. As part of the regulatory compliance, they have to collect a bunch of different documents with Know Your Customer (KYC) information. They want to be able to process the information in these documents quickly and at scale. They want to integrate the chosen solution as quickly as possible. What are your options on Google Cloud? Option A, integrate the Cloud Vision API to create a custom model to handle the documents. Option B, create a model using TensorFlow and integrated it into the process workflow. Option C, integrate the Lending Doc AI and Document AI into their processes workflow of the processing loan requests. Option D, integrate the natural language API to read the requests sent in by clients and to process the forms. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your company has recently acquired three growing startups in three different countries. You want to reduce overhead in infrastructure management and keep your cost low without sacrificing security and quality of service to your customers. How should you meet these requirements? Option A, host all your subsidiaries' services on premises together with your existing services. Option B, host all your subsidiaries' services together with your existing services on the public cloud. Option C, build a homogeneous infrastructure at each subsidiary and invest in training their engineers. Option D, build a homogeneous infrastructure at each subsidiary and invest in hiring more engineers. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following methods should you use when you require a dynamic way of provisioning VMs on compute engine when it is observed that the exact specifications will be in a dedicated configuration file and you want to follow Google's recommended practices? Option A, managed instance group. Option B, deployment manager. Option C, cloud composer. Option D, unmanaged instance group. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your organization needs to allow a production job to have access to a BigQuery dataset. The production job is running on a compute engine instance that is part of an instance group. What should be included in the IAM policy on the BigQuery dataset? Option A, the compute engine instance group. Option B, the project that owns the compute engine instance. Option C, the compute engine service account. Option D, the compute engine instance. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, when creating machine learning models, a key initial step is to identify the types of model required. One of these is the classification model. Which of these statements define a classification model? Option A type of machine learning model for distinguishing among two or more discrete values, for example, book or car. Option B, a type of machine learning model is a meta-model maker which classifies algorithms based on the quality of their output. Option C, a type of machine learning model that outputs continuously, typically floating point values. For example, the predicted price of the house is this. Option D, a type of classic model approach that is less used today and which has been replaced by the regression model. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which Google Cloud service or feature lets you build machine learning models using standard SQL and data in a data warehouse? Option A, BigQuery ML. Option B, TensorFlow. Option C, AutoML tables. Option D, Cloud Bigtable ML. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your organization wants to run a container-based application on Google Cloud. This application is expected to increase in complexity. You have a security need for fine-grained control of traffic between the containers. You also have an operational need to exercise fine-grained control over the application's scaling policies. What Google Cloud product or features should your organization use? Option A, Google Kubernetes Engine Cluster. Option B, App Engine. Option C, Cloud Run. Option D, Compute Engine Virtual Machines. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, how should a multinational organization that is migrating to Google Cloud consider security and privacy regulations to ensure that it is in compliance with global standards? Option A, comply with data security and privacy regulations in each geographical region. Option B, comply with regional standards for data security and privacy because they suppressed all international regulations. Option C, comply with international standards for data security and privacy because they supersede all regional regulations. Option D, comply with regional data security regulations because they are more complex than privacy standards. Correct answer is option A. Question is, you are migrating workloads to the cloud. The goal of the migration is to serve customers worldwide as quickly as possible according to local regulations. Certain data is required to be stored in a specific geographic area and it can be served worldwide. You need to design the architecture and deployment for your workloads. What should you do? Option A, select a public cloud provider that is only active in the required geographic area. Option B, select a private cloud provider that globally replicates data storage for fast data access. Option C, select a public cloud provider that guarantees data location in the required geographic area. Option D, select a private cloud provider that is only active in the required geographic area. Correct answer is option C. Question is, customer managed encryption keys CMEK can be used for encrypting data inside Cloud Bigtable. Which of the following statements are correct? Select two answers. Option A, administrators cannot rotate. Option B, not supported for instances that have clustered in more than one region. Option C, CMEK can only be configured at the cluster level. Option D, you cannot use the same CMEK key in multiple projects. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, your client has an on-premises data center. Due to technical limitations, they are unable to scale globally. They have decided to adopt the public cloud. However, they don't want to log into any one vendor and therefore would like to work with multiple cloud providers. They have used open source container technologies and would like to continue using them. Option A, Cloud Run, which supports containers and can scale in a serverless fashion. Option B, Kubernetes, that runs containers as their core workloads. Option C, App Engine Flexible Environment, which supports containers. Option D, Anthos, that runs containers as their core workloads. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your customer is making a decision on whether to move to Google Cloud. Their key concern is about 10,000 VMs that are part of their IT infrastructure used across more than 110 applications. They are apprehensive of too many changes at this stage. They want to get to Google Cloud in the easiest way possible with minimal disruption. What option would you recommend for them? Option A, use Migrate for Anthos. Option B, lift and shift the VMs to serverless options like App Engine Flex. Option C. Re-architect on-prem to use Kubernetes and then slowly extend and bridge the on-prem data center to the Google Cloud Data Center. Option D. Use migrate for compute. Correct answer is option D. Question is your customer is moving to Google Cloud. They have many teams, each working on many projects. How should they organize resources? Option A. Let each team have one shared folder with multiple projects within it so that there is a separation of concerns. Option B. Let each project have one folder so that there is a clear separation of concerns. Option C. Let each team have an organization so that they can entirely manage themselves with their own identity. Option D. Let each team have one shared project so that it is easy to manage. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is your application is onboarding a number of users. The details of the users vary widely. What kind of database would be most suitable for this use case? Option A. NoSQL database like Firestore. Option B. OLAP database like BigQuery which support SQL. Option C. SQL database like MySQL or PostgreSQL. Option D. OLTP database like Cloud Spanner. Correct answer is option A. Question is while on premises, an enterprise had multiple teams, each with its own analytics data store. Attempts to converge the storage for centralized company-wide analysis failed because of speed and scaling issues. What would be the preferred destination architecture on Google Cloud? Option A. Migrate to Bigtable, which provides high throughput reads and writes. Option B. Migrate to Cloud Spanner as a globally scalable SQL database. Option C. Migrate to BigQuery as a central data warehouse. Option D. Migrate to Cloud SQL, which supports multiple databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. All of the customer's SQL databases can be accommodated here. Correct answer is option C. Question is you are a database manager working for a new product that will need millions of reading and writing from the database. With zero downtime, key value that is no SQL features, no manual steps should be required to ensure consistency, repair data, synchronize writes and deletes. Which of the following database you choose? Option A. Cloud SQL. Option B. Cloud Bigtable. Option C. Cloud Spanner. Option D. Cloud Firestore. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is an organization has had a data leak scare because one employee made a sensitive cloud storage bucket available to the public. Given the nature of the company's business, it is understood that there is never any reason to give the public direct access to any file. The security head wants to ensure that such an event never occurs again. How can you ensure this? Option A. Remove edit access rights to all cloud storage buckets so that no user can make any edits. Option B. Set an organizational policy constraint to restrict bucket access set to the public. Option C. Use Cloud Scheduler to run a job at a specified interval to scan buckets. Any public permissions can be programmatically changed. Option D. Write Cloud Functions code connected to cloud storage. Any changes will be notified to the function, which can be used to reset the public access. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your company has signed up with a cloud provider and you will be using storage and virtual machines with the provider. The provider has provided your organization some expectations for what the service should perform at. What type of agreement provides a guarantee of a certain level of service, such as uptime? Option A. Performance agreement. Option B. Interconnection agreement. Option C. Warranty. Option D. Service level agreement. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following NIST cloud characteristics uses the business model of shared resources in a cloud environment? Option A. Elasticity. Option B. Availability. Option C. Broad network access. Option D. Multi-tenancy. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, an application has become very popular and the number of requests per users is increasing quickly. There is a meeting to figure out how to scale the systems so that they can accept user requests and still have the capacity to spare. What is the preferred option? Option A. Circular scaling takes a round-robin approach to allocate and destroy VMs. Option B. Triangular scaling takes an automated average of cost, effect, and time. Option C. Vertical scaling. Option D. Horizontal scaling. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your application has repeated data requests of the exact same nature. At the same time, the number of user requests is increasing. Monitoring indicates that the load on the existing database is increasing, and there seems to be a bottleneck. An analysis of the data requested shows us that it is application managed data and that it changes but not often. How can you improve the efficiency of the application? Option A. Use cloud memory store to improve speed via caching. Option B. Increase the amount of RAM on the machine hosting the database so that it has higher data throughput. Option C. Use cloud storage with multi-regional storage so that all users accessing the data will have lower latency. Option D. Increase the number of CPUs on the machine hosting the database so that it has higher data throughput. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the customer has applications that do data processing on premises. They have been built using Hadoop and Spark. What product should I use on Google Cloud? Option A. Dataproc. Option B. Dataflow. Option C. Data Prep. Option D. Dataplex. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a customer has a tens of applications that are dependent on Oracle databases in their on-premises data centers. The customer wants to migrate to Google Cloud. Their long-term goal is to move to other cloud-native database technologies. What options do they have to initially move their data? Option A, migrate to a bare metal server. Option B, migrate to Cloud SQL. Option C, since there is no hosted Oracle solution, leave the Oracle data on-premise while doing analytics on Google Cloud. Option D, containerized Oracle and run it using Cloud Run. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, your large and frequently changing organization's user information is stored in an on-premises LDAP database. The database includes user passwords and group and organization membership. How should your organization provision Google accounts and groups to access Google Cloud resources? Option A, replicate the LDAP infrastructure to compute engine. Option B, use the Firebase Authentication REST API to create users. Option C, use Google Cloud Directory Sync to create users. Option D, use the Identity Platform REST API to create users. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what would provide near unlimited availability of computing resources without requiring your organization to procure and provision new equipment? Option A, public cloud. Option B, containers. Option C, private cloud. Option D, microservices. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a multinational retail company has approached you to help design its systems. They have millions of transactions at their point of sale systems across the world that need to be captured, stored, and analyzed. They are seeing more growth and expect to expand into even more geographies. Which database would be appropriate for them? Option A, Cloud Data Store. Option B, Cloud Storage. Option C, Cloud Spanner. Option D, Cloud SQL. Correct answer is option C. Question is, Compute Engine provides machine type recommendations to help you optimize the resource utilization of your virtual machine VM instances. What is the capability called? Option A, App Engine. Option B, none of the above. Option C, right sizing recommendations. Option D, recommendation engine. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your organization is building an application running in Google Cloud. Currently, software builds, tests, and regular deployments are done manually, but you want to reduce work for the team. Your organization wants to use Google Cloud Managed Solution to automate your build, testing, and deployment processes. Which Google Cloud product or feature should your organization use? Option A, Cloud Scheduler. Option B, Cloud Code. Option C, Cloud Build. Option D, Cloud Deployment Manager. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a bank wants to track the success of their existing ATM network, which has been modernized with APIs to instantly notify customers about their transfers. What is the benefit of using APG to achieve this goal? Option A, it has dashboards that chart dimensions and metrics to report on APIs. Option B, it replicates banking APIs to create new business values. Option C, it measures and tracks their total cost of ownership (TCO). Option D, it allows developers to connect the banking APIs with the public cloud. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your team is using BigQuery as your central data warehouse. You are running a certain workload that you have run frequently over the last few days. It is a short, high-capacity analytics workload. Which of the following would be an appropriate pricing model to use? Option A, there is no need for any pricing model for the first 1 TB of query data processed per month is free. Option B, on-demand pricing. Option C, flex slots. Option D, flat rate reservations. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, your organization is running all its workloads in a private cloud on top of a hypervisor. Your organization has decided it wants to move to Google Cloud as quickly as possible. Your organization wants minimal changes to the current environment while using the maximum amount of managed services Google offers. What should your organization do? Option A, migrate the workloads to Google Cloud VMware Engine. Option B, migrate the workloads to Compute Engine. Option C, migrate the workloads to bare metal solutions. Option D, migrate the workloads to Google Kubernetes Engine. Correct answer is option B. Question is, in terms of Cloud SQL for MySQL features offered by Google Cloud Platform, which of the statements are correct? Option A, do not support private IP, private service access. Option B, customer data is encrypted on Google's internal networks and in database tables, temporary files, and backups. Option C, do not provide automated and on-demand backups and point-in-time recovery. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of these are defined by the following statement? A contract you have with your end customers, which if you don't meet, you might even have to pay fines. Option A, SLA, Service Level Agreement. Option B, SLC, Service Level Contract. Option C, SLO, Service Level Objective. Option D, SLI, Service Level Indicator. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Firebase Hosting provides the following services. Option A, dynamic content. Option B, static content. Option C, microservices. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your organization is on a critical path with recently developed applications. They are going into production in a month. A few million users are expected to use the new application. They want to ensure minimum disruption when the application goes live. Any issues have to be dealt with within minutes and resolved as quickly as possible. Which support package should they take? Option A, enhanced support. Option B, standard support. Option C, basic support. Option D, premium support. Correct answer is option D. Question is, an organization has created an e-commerce website. What data on this website would be considered structured data? Option A, product photographs. Option B, product reviews. Option C, product descriptions. Option D, product ratings score. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a customer has contacted you about migrating to Google Cloud. The customer would like to migrate their data from an on-premises as soon as possible. They don't have the budget to rewrite code and they want the most direct route. What migration option should suggest to the customer? Option A, none, since the customer is not cloud native ready. Option B, RIP and replace. Option C, lift and shift. Option D, improve and move. Correct answer is option C. Question is, your organization wants to be sure that its expenditures on cloud services are in line with the budget. Which two Google Cloud cost management features help your organization gain greater visibility into its cloud resource costs? Choose two options. Option A, billing dashboards. Option B, resource labels. Option C, sustained use discounts. Option D, financial governance policies. Option E, payments profile. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what conditions be true if a VM interface wants to send packets to the external IP addresses of Google APIs and services using private Google access? Option A, VM interface does not have an external IP address assigned. Option B, VM interface is connected to a subnet where private Google access is disabled. Option C, both option A and option B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your organization is migrating to Google Cloud. As part of that effort, it needs to move terabytes of data from on-premises file servers to cloud storage. Your organization wants the migration process to be automated and to be managed by Google. Your organization has an existing dedicated interconnect connection that it wants to use. Which Google Cloud product or feature should your organization use? Option A, storage transfer service. Option B, migrate for Anthos. Option C, BigQuery data transfer service. Option D, transfer appliance. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your organization is developing an application that will capture a large amount of data from millions of different sensor devices spread all around the world. Your organization needs a database that is suitable for worldwide high-speed data storage of a large amount of unstructured data. Which Google Cloud product should your organization choose? Option A, Firestore. Option B, Cloud Data Fusion. Option C, Cloud SQL. Option D, Cloud Bigtable. Correct answer is option D. Question is, you decide to migrate your on-premises environment to the cloud. You need to determine which resource components still need to be assigned ownership. Which two functions are owned by a public cloud provider? Option A, hardware maintenance. Option B, infrastructure architecture. Option C, infrastructure deployment automation. Option D, hardware capacity management. Option E. Fixing application security issues. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company with its own private data center has called you in for help with their disaster recovery planning. News of multiple ransomware attacks has made them very anxious. They want to make they are all prepared for such an eventuality. Which of these would be good recommendations? Option A. It is better to have redundancy, so set up another private data center nearby so that you can quickly go over in case of an emergency. Option B. It is better to have redundancy, use one or many of the Google Cloud data centers as a backup location. Option C. The one data center is enough. As long as the data is encrypted, attackers won't be able to read the data. Option D. The one data center is enough as long as you regularly back up data and save it in another place in the same DC. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your organization wants to optimize its use of Google Cloud's discounts on virtual machine based workloads. You plan to use 200 CPUs constantly for the next 3 years, and you forecast that spikes of up to 300 CPUs will occur approximately 30% of the time. What should you choose? Option A, 1 year committed use discount for 200 CPUs. Option B, 3 year committed use discount for 300 CPUs. Option C, 3 year committed use discount for 200 CPUs. Option D, regular pay as you go pricing. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what service is a fully managed real-time messaging service that allows you to send and receive messages between independent applications? Option A, Cloud Data Store. Option B, Cloud Pub Sub. Option C, Cloud DNS. Option D, Cloud Bigtable. Option E, Cloud Spanner. Correct answer is option B. Question is, in Google Cloud IAM, if a policy applied at the project level gives you owner permissions, your access to an individual resource in that project might be restricted to view permission if someone applies a more restrictive policy directly to the resource. What is correct below the options? Option A, false. Option B, none of the above. Option C, true. Option D, no defined by GCP. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following statements are true about Google Cloud Bigtable? Option A, it is not compatible with Hadoop. Option B, it scales from gigabyte to petabyte with no downtime. Option C, it cannot be used in real-time ad analytics and tracking thousands of IoT devices data. Option D, it is an enterprise-level database that offers relational and non-relational features. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your organization stores highly sensitive data on premises that cannot be sent over the public internet. The data must be processed both on premises and in the cloud. What should your organization do? Option A, configure Identity Aware Proxy IAP in your Google Cloud VPC network. Option B. Create a cloud VPN tunnel between Google Cloud and your data center. Option C. Order a partner interconnect connection with your network provider. Option D. Enable private Google access in your Google Cloud VPC network. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, what is the difference between standard and cold line storage? Option A. Cold line storage is for data for which a slow transfer rate is acceptable. Option B. Standard and cold line storage have different durability guarantees. Option C. Standard and cold line storage use different APIs. Option D. Cold line storage is for infrequently accessed data. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a customer has new applications to build that has to handle both batch data and streaming data. Which product should they choose? Option A. Data prep. Option B. Data flow. Option C. Data proc. Option D. Data fusion. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following is true while creating a boot persistent disk from a snapshot? Option A. You cannot apply a snapshot to an existing persistent disk or apply a snapshot to persistent disks that belong to a different project than that snapshot. Option B. It is only possible to apply data from a snapshot when you first create a persistent disk. Option C. After you create a snapshot of a boot persistent disk, you can apply data from that snapshot to new persistent disks. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your organization is developing a mobile app and wants to select a fully featured cloud-based compute platform for it. Which Google Cloud product or feature should your organization use? Option A. Google Kubernetes Engine. Option B. Firebase. Option C. Cloud Functions. Option D. App Engine. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, your organization is developing an application that will manage payments and online bank accounts located around the world. The most critical requirement for your database is that each transaction is handled consistently. Your organization anticipates almost unlimited growth in the amount of data stored. Which Google Cloud product should your organization choose? Option A. Cloud SQL. Option B. Cloud Storage. Option C. Firestore. Option D. Cloud Spanner. Correct answer is option D. Question is, an organization wants to search for and share plug-and-play AI components which can easily build ML services into their project. Which Google Cloud products should the organization use? Option A. Document AI. Option B. AI Hub. Option C. Cloud Talent Solution. Option D. Recommendations AI. Correct answer is option B. Question is, you are a DevOps engineer in an e-commerce company that sells products globally across the countries. Customers buy products, add them to carts, or check in stock from different parts of the world with different timestamps. You need to choose a database that can scale globally without any hassles and lots of developer support. It should be consistent across regions, can scale horizontally to support enormous user, automatically replicates, sorts, and even auto transaction processing. Which of the following database do you choose? Option A Cloud SQL, Option B Cloud Spanner, Option C Cloud Firestore, Option D Cloud Storage. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your company provides car maintenance services. It is conducting an internal hackathon to identify new ideas that could expand their business. The teams have pitched different ideas and have started working on it. They have to present their application to the judges within 48 hours. A presentation alone is not enough. They have to demonstrate a working proof of concept. The team that you are mentoring is going to recommend additional services to drive in customers based on the brand of car they drive in. They need to be able to identify what brand of car the customer has based on a photograph automatically taken at entry. They have already discovered an open source database of car images collected by online enthusiasts. How should they implement this solution? Option A use deep learning containers that are pre-configured and optimized containers for deep learning environments. Option B use AutoML image, upload the images and let it create a working model for you. Option C use TensorFlow to create a model that will identify the car brands. Use the available data to train the model. Option D use Cloud Vision AI that is able to detect logos. Write only the code to integrate into your workflow. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following statements describe the features of a printable VM instance? Select three options. Option A instance is alive for no more than 12 hours. Option B can be preempted with a 30-minute notice. Option C can be preempted with a 30-second notice. Option D discounted significantly. Option E instance is alive for no more than 24 hours. Option F can use free tier credits. Correct answer is option C, D, and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what is the key difference between VMs and containers? Option A, virtual machines take less time to launch. Containers take longer to launch. Option B, virtual machines can only run Linux. Containers can run any operating system. Option C, virtual machines use a shared operating system and are therefore lighter. Containers are heavier on resources. Option D, each virtual machine in a machine has its own operating system. Containers will share the same operating system. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following statements are correct about machine learning? Option A, machine learning examples include chatbots and automated virtual assistants to automate routine customer service tasks, and speed up an issue resolution. Option B. Machine learning automates the job of building statistical model with human intervention. Option C. Robotic process automation (RPA) cannot be attached with ML. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Question is, your company's development team is building an application that will be deployed on Cloud Run. You are designing a CI/CD pipeline so that any new version of the application can be deployed in the fewest number of steps possible using the CI/CD pipeline you are designing. You need to select a storage location for the images of the application after the CI part of your pipeline has built them. What should you do? Option A. Create a compute engine image containing the application. Option B. Store the images in container registry. Option C. Store the images in cloud storage. Option D. Create a compute engine disk containing the application. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which Google Cloud product or feature makes specific recommendations based on security risks and compliance violations? Option A. Google Cloud Firewalls. Option B. Security Command Center. Option C. Cloud Deployment Manager. Option D. Google Cloud Armor. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a large travel services company has been running all their workloads on Google Cloud in the previous year. They looked at their past uses of cloud resources and see that there is a consistent use of 10,000 virtual machines throughout the year. Based on the projections for the following year, they have a strong indication that they will use at least this much or more capacity within Google Cloud. What is one way in which they can take advantage of this knowledge? Option A. They can use these numbers to negotiate a better contract with another public cloud number. Option B. They can cut costs by cutting down on the number of VMs used. Option C. They can get into a committed use contract with Google Cloud to get a significant discount on the uses of VMs. Option D. They can ask for a sustained use discount. Correct answer is option C. Question is, your client is building a custom machine learning pipeline to identify lesions in lungs based on X-rays. Different teams of data scientists are sharing common source data and building many versions of ML models. Which of these cloud storage options would be best for them? Option A. Retain the data in use in a single region bucket with nearline storage. Retain the data in use in a dual region bucket. Option B. Retain the data in use in a single region bucket with standard storage. Option C. Retain the data in use in a multi-region bucket. Option D. Retain the data in use in a dual region bucket. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, you are working in a company that provides different services to its customer. Now it also wants to offer some paid API services to its B2B customers. For example, Google provides Google Maps API, Cloud Vision API, and Language Translation API. You need to figure out the best solution for the service. Option A, Java Programming Spring Boot Framework for to solve the problem of APIs management. Option B, Cloud Functions with Firestore and Payment Gateways Integration Development. Option C, APG API Management. Option D, Front-end and Back-end Development with Node.js and Angular, etc. Correct answer is option C. Question is, you are working for a hospital that stores its medical images in an on-premises data room, and it is provided that the hospital wants to use cloud storage for archival storage of these images. You are required to design and implement a solution where the hospital wants an automated process to upload any new medical images to cloud storage. On the basis of these statements, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, create a pub sub topic and enable a cloud storage trigger for the pub sub topic. Create an application that sends all medical images to the pub sub topic. Option B, create a script that uses the gsutil command line interface to synchronize the on-premises storage with cloud storage. Schedule the script as a cron job. Option C, in the Cloud Console, go to Cloud Storage. Upload the relevant images to the appropriate bucket. Option D, deploy a data flow job from the batch template. Data stored to cloud storage. Schedule the batch job on the desired interval. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your organization needs to ensure that the Google Cloud resources of each of your departments are segregated from one another. Each department has several environments of its own: development, testing, and production. Which strategy should your organization choose? Option A, create a project per department and create a folder per environment in each project. Option B, create a folder per department and create a project per environment in each folder. Option C, create a cloud identity domain per department and create a project per environment in each domain. Option D, create a cloud identity domain per environment and create a project per department in each domain. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your organization needs to categorize objects in a large group of static images using machine learning. Which Google Cloud product or service should your organization use? Option A, BigQuery ML. Option B, AutoML Video Intelligence. Option C, Cloud Vision API. Option D, AutoML Tables. Correct answer is option C. Question is, certain devices for cracks, rust, etc. Some of these issues are difficult to identify for a human, and your company has seen increasing customer complaints. The customer has paid for an inspection and the field agent said there was no problem, but it later turned out there actually was. The team has come up with the proposal to engage AI to identify issues. On evaluating the existing system, it is seen that the mobile phone network connection is not good or consistent. What solution can work for them? Option A. Use AutoML Vision Age models. Option B. Use the Rust programming language instead of Python to identify issues like Rust. Option C. Use cloud TPUs which will be able to do the analysis faster on the cloud. Thus responses also will be fast. Option D. Use TensorFlow to create custom models and deploy it as TensorFlow Lite models. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, you are a program manager in a company. You need to submit a bare metal solution order for a secure high performance connection with a low latency network fabric. What network information you need to submit the order to bare metal solutions? Option A. IP ranges, for example, client IP address range used for communication between your Google Cloud and bare metal solution environments. Option B. Google Cloud project ID that you are using with your bare metal solution environment. Option C. Total number of VLANs you need in your bare metal solution environment. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a customer of yours has an SLA with their client that a particular service will respond within 4 seconds. The end client has reported that it feels slower. Your engineers do a trial at the client site and notice that there seems to be a delay for many of the requests. It's your team's responsibility to identify the issue quickly within the strict timeline for fixes according to the contract and then fix it. What should you do? Option A. Recommend a move to a serverless technologies which will scale automatically on demand. Option B. Add logging statements at multiple points in the application. Build it and deploy it. Now, new request will give us information on latency in the logs. Option C. Check if the browser used by the client are different from yours. If they are, that's most likely the issue. Ensure that everybody uses the latest version of the browser that you are also using. Option D. Use CloudTrace to collect latency data and track how requests propagate and why there is a delay. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your EdTech startup was originally launched in a small geography. Any user sign-ups, course progress, test taken, etc. are captured on a self-managed MySQL database. Every user generates many such transactions. Now you are taking the application globally and preparing for a much larger influx of users from all over the world. The existing MySQL server is unlikely to be able to scale. Which convenient option can be considered? Option A. Migrate to BigQuery. Option B. Migrate to Cloud Spanner. Option C. Migrate to Cloud SQL. Option D. Migrate to Bigtable. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a financial services company is running an experimental application workload that has a very large number of mathematical calculations involving floating point numbers. The current application that is running on compute engine is not providing enough speed and throughput. What are the options to increase the processing performance? Option A. Use a serverless option like cloud functions that will automatically scale as much as required. Option B. Instead of using a general purpose machine family, use compute optimized machine family. Option C. Since processing could also be dependent on reading and writing data to the disk, use a fast local SSD. Option D. Attach GPUs to the virtual machine for number crunching. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, when you update the function in Firebase by deploying updated code, instances for older versions are cleaned up along with build artifacts in blank space and replaced by new instances. Option A. Google Cloud Console. Option B. Storage and Container Registry. Option C. Container Registry Repository. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a customer in the European Union region is very clear that their data should not go outside the European Union. Their end users are spread all over the European Union. They have to choose a storage option that serves all the users within Asia via web browsers as quickly as possible. Which storage option will work for them? Option A. Cloud storage with a single region that is known to be within the European Union. Option B. Cloud file store is connected to virtual machines which are generated to be within the European Union. Option C. Cloud storage with the multi-region option of European Union. Option D. Cloud storage with the dual region option of European Union. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what according to you are not the key capabilities of in-app messaging? Option A. Target messages accordingly to the change in the behavior pattern of the target audience. Option B. Creating customized and flexible alerts. Option C. Increasing conversion for user-to-user sharing. Option D. Sending relevant messages to the target audience. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your organization needs to minimize how much it pays for data traffic from the Google network to the internet. What should your organization do? Option A. Choose the standard network service tier. Option B. Choose the premium network service tier. Option C. Deploy cloud VPN. Option D. Deploy cloud NAT. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which Google Cloud product gives you a consistent platform for multi-cloud application deployments and extends other Google Cloud services to your environment? Option A. Google Kubernetes Engine. Option B. Virtual Public Cloud. Option C. Compute Engine. Option D. Anthos. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a customer has an application running in virtual machines. They are migrating this application to Google Cloud. They have previously had scaling issues when on-premises as VMs had to be pre-allocated. Capacity planning was repeatedly off mark. It's either too many VMs or too less. They want to match the capacity to demand while keeping the application running always. They don't have the time or budget to re-architect the systems using containers and Kubernetes at the moment. What would be your recommendation? Option A: run a load test on Compute Engine VMs, get an estimate of users, then plan for a VM capacity of 25% above the load test value. Option B: use the managed instance group with Compute Engine. Option C: inform them that new age companies are using microservices, containers, and Kubernetes for this and they can plan to rewrite the app quickly. Option D: inform them that using a serverless option will take care of the scaling and they can move to the Cloud Run or App Engine. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which of the followings are true about Anthos? Option A: enterprise grade container orchestration and management service. Option B: modernizing your security for hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. Option C: fully managed service mesh with built-in visibility. Option D: all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your company has multiple internal applications used by your employees. You also have to give access to certain vendors and contractors. What is a good option for you to adopt? Option A: keep the credentials separate for each application to reduce the blast radius in case of any issues. Option B: use an external identity provider that is famous and popular like Facebook or Twitter. That way, even your vendors and contractors will have an account there. Option C: allow all users, especially contractors and vendors, to bring their own identities like those at gmail.com. Option D: use an IDaaS identity as a service product that can centrally manage authentication and authorization for the applications. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what type of cloud computing service provides raw compute, storage, and network organized in ways that are familiar to physical data centers? Option A: database as a service. Option B: platform as a service. Option C: infrastructure as a service. Option D: software as a service. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, with respect to the core feature of standby instances of Cloud SQL, which one of the options is correct? Option A: the standby instance is used in high availability to replace the primary instance when failover occurs. The standby instance appears in the Google Cloud Console but does not get billed. When failover occurs, connections to the primary instance need to be manually transferred to the standby instance. Option B: the standby instance is used in high availability to replace the primary instance when failover occurs. The standby instance appears in the Google Cloud Console but does not get billed. When failover occurs, connections to the primary instance are automatically transferred to the standby instance. Option C. The standby instance is used in high availability to replace the primary instance when failover occurs. The standby instance doesn't appear in the Google Cloud Console. When failover occurs, connection to the primary instance are automatically transferred to the standby instance. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Question is, your customer has a reporting tool that is only occasionally used by the leadership team. Uses of it is frequent, once a week, once a month, or once the quarter. They want to run this application in a cost-effective manner. What are the compute options available on Google Cloud which would be suitable? Choose two options. Option A. Cloud Run. Option B. Cloud App Engine Standard. Option C. Compute Engine. Option D. Kubernetes Engine. Correct answer is option A and option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, you are looking for a one-stop reference page for GCP support. What page would you select? Option A. Compliance Hub. Option B. Google Cloud Platform Status. Option C. Support Hub. Option D. Pricing page. Correct answer is option C. Question is, an organization wants to dynamically adjust its applications to serve different user needs. What are the benefits of storing their data in the cloud for this use case? Option A. Data can be stored in archive for long-term access. Option B. Automatic data cleaning and validation. Option C. Real-time data ingestion and analysis. Option D. No data access management required. Correct answer is option C. Question is, your organization needs to process large amounts of data from an online application that operates continuously. You do not want to be required to provision infrastructure or create server clusters. What should your organization choose? Option A. Compute engine with BigQuery. Option B. Dataproc. Option C. Google Kubernetes engine with Cloud Bigtable. Option D. Dataflow. Correct answer is option D. Question is, keeping flavors of APG in mind, which of the following statements are correct? Option A. A hybrid version consisting of a runtime plane installed on premises or in a cloud provider of your choice and a management plane running in APG's cloud. In this model, API traffic and data are confirmed within your own enterprise-approved boundaries. Option B. A hosted SaaS version in which APG maintains the environment, allowing you to concentrate on building your services and defining the APIs to those services. Option C. There are two types of flavors in APG, that is APG and APG hybrid. Option D. All of the above are correct. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a customer is migrating their on-premises data analytics solution to Google Cloud. The current solution has a lot of data being read from and written to disk. The performance of this approach has occasionally been bottleneck for a scale of operations that your customer has. The application is fault tolerant and can withstand machine going down frequently. In moving to Google Cloud, they are asking your advice on any way to improve performance. Option A, use BigQuery, which has very fast data access and analysis. Option B, use cloud storage, which can be central scalable storage. Option C, use local SSDs with VMs. Option D, use persistent disk with the VMs. Correct answer is option C. Question is, your company is running the majority of its workloads in a co-located data center. The workloads are running on virtual machines VMs on top of a hypervisor and use either Linux or Windows Server editions. As part of your company's transformation strategy, you need to modernize workloads as much as possible by adopting cloud-native technologies. You need to migrate the workloads into Google Cloud. What should you do? Option A, export the VMs into VMDK format and import them into Compute Engine. Option B, export the VMs into VMDK format and import them into Google Cloud VMware Engine. Option C, migrate the workloads using Migrate for Compute Engine. Option D, migrate the workloads using Migrate for Anthos. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, as your organization increases its release velocity, the VM-based application upgrades take a long time to perform rolling updates due to OS boot times. You need to make the application deployments faster. What should your organization do? Option A, migrate your VMs to the cloud and add more resources to them. Option B, convert your applications into containers. Option C, increase the resources of your VMs. Option D, automate your upgrade rollouts. Correct answer is option D. Question is, with cloud messaging, you can customize and deliver messages accordingly to the predetermined time in the user's local time zone. Comment on the above statement. Option A, this statement is undefined. Option B, the above statement is partially true. Option C, the above statement is completely false. Option D, the above statement is completely true. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what are the network requirements for private Google access? Option A, private Google access automatically enables any API. Option B, your network must have appropriate routes for the destination IP ranges used by Google APIs and services. Option C, both A and option B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, your team has developed a machine learning model for your customer. The test results indicate very strong predictive capability. The model is then deployed in production. Evaluation of the predictions in production so that they are off by a pronounced margin. What is the issue and how can you solve for it? Option A, the model is underfitted, trained with less data. Option B, the model is overfitted, add more features to the model to fix it. Option C, the model is fine since the test results are good. Fix the production of incoming data. Option D, the model is overfitted, trained with more data. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a startup is planning to create their entire suite of applications on Google Cloud. They are looking at various open source technologies to build applications. One of the considerations is about having a well-integrated monitoring tool. They have to be able to constantly review load capacity and performance of their applications and virtual machines. What would you advise them to do? Option A, it is best to build a custom solution so that they know it integrates well with all their custom applications. Option B, since they are using open source for applications, find another open source monitoring tool and integrate it, which could turn out to be very cheap. Option C, use the Google Cloud Operations suite, which contains monitoring among other operations tools. Option D, update the application code to regularly write to output logs. Export the logs to BigQuery to analyze them frequently. Correct answer is option C. Question is, you have contracted a partner to conduct some medical trials. This is a limited 2-month contract. At the end of each day, you are expecting about 10 GB of data. The data is highly sensitive. What networking option would you employ? Option A, as the name indicates, set up partner interconnect with your partner company. Option B, set up dedicated interconnect with your partner. Option C, set up Cloud VPN and create an IPsec VPN tunnel with your partner. Option D, create a public IP for a VM and share that with your partners so that they can access it over the internet and share the data. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what load balancer type is supported with Cloud Armor security policies? Option A, SSL proxy, HTTPS and SSL. Option B, HTTPS and SSL. Option C, regional SSL. Option D, HTTPS only. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your team is publishing research results and needs to make large amounts of data available to other researchers within the professional community and the public at minimum cost. How should you host the data? Option A, use a cloud storage bucket and enable requester space. Option B, use a cloud storage bucket and provide signed URLs for the data files. Option C, use a cloud storage bucket and set up a cloud interconnect connection to allow access to the data. Option D, host the data on premises and set up a cloud interconnect connection to allow access to the data. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following are true about bare metal solutions? Option A, enterprise grade deployment platform. Option B, all your existing investment in tooling and best practices will work as is. Option C, continue to run any version and feature set, any database option and any customizations patch sets. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what cloud service model would you want to select if you want to solve a particular business problem by providing CRM services in the cloud to your enterprises? Option A, CAAS. Option B, SaaS. Option C, PaaS. Option D, IaaS. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, what are the key features of Google Cloud Identity? Option A, multi-factor authentication MFA. Option B, single sign-on SSO. Option C, works with your favorite apps and endpoint management. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your team is working on building a machine learning model. There are a bunch of terminologies that are being used. What is an instance or an example? Option A, an input variable is used in making predictions, for example, number of rooms in a house price prediction model. Option B, one row of a data set containing one or more input columns and possibly a prediction result. Option C, an answer for a prediction task, either the answer produced by a machine learning system or the right answer supplied in training data. For example, image contains a cat. Option D, the knobs that you tweak during successive runs of training a model. For example, learning rate. Correct answer is option B. Question is, your company has been using a shared facility for data storage and will be migrating to Google Cloud. One of the internal applications uses Linux custom images that need to be migrated. Which Google Cloud product should you use to maintain the custom images? Option A, App Engine Flexible Environment. Option B, Compute Engine. Option C, App Engine Standard Environment. Option D, Google Kubernetes Engine. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, your organization needs to analyze data in order to gather insights into its daily operations. You only want to pay for the data you store and the queries you perform. Which Google Cloud product should your organization choose for its data analytics warehouse? Option A, Cloud SQL. Option B, Dataproc. Option C, Cloud Spanner. Option D, BigQuery. Correct answer is option D. Question is, your customer has reliable information to indicate that they will use a certain amount of computing and analytics. The workloads are critical and they don't want to take a chance with VMs or BigQuery slots being unavailable during a peak period. How can they ensure that they allocate the capacity? Option A, send in the field form to Google Cloud Support to reserve the compute engine and BigQuery resources required. Option B, create reservations on compute engine and BigQuery. Option C, on the day the capacity is required, set a scheduled job that will provision as many resources are required and lock it in. Option D, Google Cloud is elastic for resources. You cannot reserve resources in advance. It is pay per use. Correct answer is option B. Question is Google offers Firebase in terms of Firebase console any particular message that has to be delivered to a customer at a certain degree of change in behavior can be managed through option A or B testing, option B notification composer, option C Firebase remote config, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is an organization wants to move from a strategic cloud adoption maturity level to a transformational use. How should the organization change the way they scale? Option A none of these. Option B deploy changes when problems arise. Option C deploy changes programmatically. Option D review changes manually. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is your organization runs a distributed application in the compute engine virtual machines. Your organization needs redundancy, but it also needs extremely fast communication that is less than 10 milliseconds between the parts of the application in different virtual machines. Where should your organization locate these virtual machines? Option A in a single zone within a single region. Option B in different zones within a single region. Option C in a multiple regions using one zone per region. Option D in multiple regions using multiple zones per region. Correct answer is option B. Question is your organization wants to migrate your on-premises environment to Google Cloud. The on-premises environment consists of containers and virtual machine instances. Which Google Cloud products can help to migrate the container images and the virtual machine disks? Option A Compute Engine and File Store. Option B Artifact Registry and Cloud Storage. Option C Data Flow and BigQuery. Option D PubSub and Cloud Storage. Correct answer is option A. Question is your company uses cloud storage to store application backup files for disaster recovery purposes. Google recommended practices. Which storage options should you use? Option A multi-regional storage. Option B regional storage. Option C cold line storage. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.